this video, I'll be showing you how to extract and install a zip file game with WinRAR. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now you can do this with literally any file that is zipped. So as you can see, I have my zip folder right here. Now let's say I want to go ahead, let's say it has a game in it. I want to go ahead and extract it and then, have it downloaded and installed on my PC. It's very simple to do. So this is my extract file. All I gotta do is right click, then go to WinRAR, then go to extract here. I'm gonna make two versions of this real quick. You'll know exactly why. So I have my first one here, second one here. So if you're doing this with WinRAR, go right click, WinRAR, extract here. So, or you can just extract it to a folder, which is gonna look exactly like that. So as an example, I can just press yes or yes to all, and then it's just gonna download properly. And now, as you can see, the folder is extracted and everything is gone right there. But let's say if I don't have WinRAR, what I could also do is right click, go to show more options. I could also use 7-zip as well, which usually by default is going to be installed on Windows. And if they're not, I'll show you exactly how to do that as well. Then all you got to do is press add to, and then you can also extract it that way as well. Now, if you haven't got either of those things, what you could go ahead and do is go and download WinRAR. So for example, if I was doing WinRAR with this, what I would have to do is I could double click on it and it's going to show me the zip file right there. Or I could right click on it, WinRAR, open with WinRAR, and then it's going to show me the WinRAR files as well. So all I would have to go ahead and do is go to my browser of choice, type in WinRAR, and then I just have to download it for completely free. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.